Hey y'all, it's your girl Alicia here from NPTressTreats, and I have a video for you today on how to use a satin scarf to protect your straight hair. So satin scarves can be used on any type of hair, like it does not matter, any length, any texture, any style, curly, straight, locks, protective styles, wigs, it does not matter. All of you can benefit from using a satin scarf to help keep your style lasting longer between wash days, to help prevent to help prevent dry hair, breakage, frizz, all that funky stuff that we don't want in our lives, you know? So I have a video, I got some help from a friend, and she's gonna show you how to protect your hair if you have straight hair between wash days, and how to help your hair last longer, and how to sleep with a satin scarf. She's gonna show you how to use it, how to put it on, and then what to do when you take it off in the morning. Hope you find it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Enjoy. Bye.
Hey you guys, I'm going to show you how I wrap my hair. So you're going to go ahead and use all the NPTressTreats products. I usually don't match. Then I go ahead and brush it out. And this is a 3-day-old silk press with my K-tip extensions. This is how I like to wrap my hair for both going to sleep and to hop in the shower. So I like to just wrap it around in a ball because I have it nice and body waved. And I use the scarf to wrap around my head first. That's going to protect my edges. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my satin bonnet over it, go to sleep or get in the shower. Now I'm going to take it off because I'm ready for the day. And go ahead and take that scrunchie out, shake it out, and boom. You don't even have to put any heat on your hair. There it is. You ready for the day. She's fine.